Museveni recently made a remark well addressed in the media in Gulu City about Dr. Otto, asking or demanding for one cow from Otto in appreciation for him chasing his own tribe mate, the Balaalo, from Acholi, even though some are still remaining.
The Balaalo. Well, it's very good that you chase your own tribe from here. Now the offense is that Odonga would have thought at any one time that I can side with people because they are my tribe, even when they are wrong. So I need a cow from Odonga.
We shall relay that message to him.
So for him, he was praising me, what he was praising me. But I could see a mistake in the praise. Why did you think you should have known that I cannot support wrong, even if it is from my own family? So this is the NRA. In 1971,
Dr. Otto responded. Let's start by the context of the Honorable Otto, a former member of parliament and a prominent political figure from northern Uganda, made a post at 7:32 a.m. on October the 24th, 2025, responding to President Yoweri Museveni's reported demand for a cow. The president's demand, whether symbolic or playful, appears to relate to Otto's earlier skepticism that Museveni would never issue an executive order to evict Balaalo or the pastoral herders from Acholi land or ban charcoal burning in the region. The context breakdown. Let's start from Odonga's post. Which reads, Museveni has demanded a cow from me since I doubted you would issue an executive order evicting the Balaalo from Acholi. I will gladly deliver 2 Acholi local cows, one when the last Balaalo leaves Acholi land, and one for the executive order burning charcoal in Acholi. This statement operates on multiple layers: political, cultural, and symbolic. The first one, let's start by the political dimension. He's talking about accountability and skepticism. Otto subtly praises the president's move, but maintains a cautious stance, implying that the executive orders must be implemented, not just announced. Conditional support. His promise to deliver the cows when the last Balaalo leaves Acholi land signals conditional acknowledgement. He is saying, prove it first. Regional politics. This issue of Balaalo settlement in Acholi has been a source of tension, tied to land ownership, identity, and resource rights. Otto's tone aligns with local sentiment that views the Balaalo presence as a form of exploitation or land encroachment. The second thing is symbolic and cultural dimension. The cow as a gesture in Acholi culture and wider Uganda. Offering a cow symbolizes respect, peace, or reconciliation. Otto uses this symbolism cleverly, transforming a presidential jest into a cultural and political metaphor for accountability. Double promise. By offering 2 cows, Otto amplifies both gratitude and expectation. It's a mix of respectful challenge and cultural weight. Thirdly, communication strategy. Public diplomacy. Otto leverages armor and humility to engage a sensitive topic. Rather than confrontation, he uses sarcasm, quoted in respect, which resonates strongly in Ugandan political discourse. Social media effect. Posting early morning and referencing national media, that's UBC's talk show, strategically ties its statement to national attention, ensuring relevance and visibility. Fourthly, broader implications. For Museveni, the statement subtly holds the president to his word. If the executive orders are not enforced fully, Otto's cause become a symbol of unfulfilled promises. For Acholi region, Otto positions himself once again as the voice of the North, bridging cultural heritage and modern political dialogue. For Ugandan politics, the exchange humanizes political tension, showing that dissent and dialogue can coexist without hostility. Now, the fifth thing I should talk about is the underlying message. Odonga's statement is not merely harmless. It is strategic political rhetoric. It says, I will celebrate your action only when it yields real results. Words are not enough. Change must be seen. In short, Otto uses wit to set a performance benchmark for the government while reaffirming his loyalty to the Acholi cause. In conclusion, Odonga's two-cow response is a masterclass in political communication, a blend of satire, culture, and advocacy. It reflects, firstly, cultural intelligence in how he frames dissent, political savvy in how he applies public pressure without confrontation, moral positioning as a guardian of Acholi interest. The post, though short, encapsulates the enduring tension between promise and delivery in Ugandan governance, and reminds the nation that in politics, actions remain the truest form of speech. And with this post, Odonga has just proven beyond reasonable doubt. For those of you who are doubting, he is a true political philosopher. Thank you.